Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add captions to your TikTok videos. So start by creating a video. I'm just going to create a quick test video for the sake of this video. This is a quick test video. So now, before I click the little tick at the bottom, on the side, right where we have a few options right now to the right, there will be options there, and I need you to click on the little arrow that's going to be at the bottom of these small options that will present themselves on the side. So I'm going to click tick now, and then there's going to be a captions option. This is a quick test video. This is a quick test video. So as you could see, I click captions and now it's processing. This is a quick test video. This is a quick test video. This is a So once you're happy with the text, you simply click save up at the top right. However, if you want to edit some of the text, like if the auto captions aren't correct, then you can just click and you can edit as you want. So if this is this quick test video, if that's what I wanted to say, then I just edit like this, or you can correct if it says something wrong. This is a quick test video. And then once you're happy, you simply click save, and that is basically it. This is a quick test video. This is a quick test video. And there you have it.